She's almost, did you read this statement?
I did, Your Honor.
The only reason I'm saying this is she's almost incriminating herself for filing a false police report. I don't want her to come up here and start saying things on the record. So, I mean,
I agree with you, Your Honor. I agree, Your Honor.
It's 713422. Somebody sent me what they call the victim's impact statement. And they said they were going to be in court.
They are, Your Honor.
Who is it?
It's Karen right here.
She shouldn't be, I mean, go ahead and state your appearance.
Sure. Good morning. May it please the court. My name is Matt Savage. I represent Vasilios Grias, who stands to my right.
Mhm.
Name is Vasilios Grias.
She's almost, did you read this statement?
I did, Your Honor.
The only reason I'm saying this is she's almost incriminating herself for filing a false police report. I don't want her to come up here and start saying things on the record. So, I mean,
I agree with you, Your Honor. I felt the same way. If I would have known that was being submitted beforehand, I might have.
I mean, I'm reading this thing and I'm saying, first of all, she's not a victim.
Right.
At least there was no charge filed against Mr. Grias versus her. And then I'm saying she is completely incriminating herself.
Right.
And I don't want to be a party to that. I shouldn't be a party to that. So I'm just going to pass along here. She doesn't have the right to speak anyway.
Right.
I'm going to ask you, first of all, but I'm not real excited about Mr. Grias's behavior here. Okay. I got an officer in a report saying he punched him in the face. So I'm just telling you, we got a problem here. I don't care if she called and should have, or should have called and called. We don't hit police officers in the face.
Your Honor, I agree, and we had this conversation when we put the plea on the record. You were disappointed then in regards to the.
I'm not disappointed now. I'm uptight about it because we don't have the right. We don't have the right, Mr. Grias. I don't care who you think you are, to hit people for doing their job. We don't have the right to do that. If you don't like what I do, you're going to come up here and punch me? I don't blame you for being quiet. Have you had a chance to review the report, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
I have, Your Honor. There is just one correction, which is the defendant's statement. That statement was actually not submitted by my client. He does desire to allocute. He has the written statement that he's probably going to read to the court because doesn't do public speaking and he's never written a statement before. Judge, the rest of the report is accurate, so there's really no deletions to make to it. I would ask the court to one, just strike the defendant's statement and actually withdraw that statement that was submitted.
Hey, I guess I'm not following. He didn't write a statement here, did he? All I got is a blank version of offense. Is that what you're talking about?
Well, no, they've stated that there's a statement attached provided by the defendant. He did not provide a statement. He has it with him today.
Okay, I got you. I was confused by that too. Okay.
So that would be the only correction.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have a very short allocution. I know you've heard what I stated the last time we were here at the pre-trial in regards to me knowing Vasilios for, I think it's almost 18 years now. His daughter's in the courtroom. His son's in the courtroom. I think his son's wife is in the courtroom. His daughter, who's all at the left, her name is Abby. And my daughter and her played hockey together for 18 years. They played Bell Tire, Chicken. They competed against each other in college. They play on the same team now. So I've known this family for 18 years. And I'm honored to say that they're friends of mine. You know, Vasilios may have some anger issues, but in terms of actually physically using any aggression towards anybody, I would like to state for the record, Judge, I reviewed the body cam footage 10 times. They were incidental hits. He got tased, and when they were pushing him down and arresting him, there was some flailing done. He never closed his fist and punched anybody intentionally. I have it on my phone if the court would like to review it. I'm letting you know as an officer of the court. You know I've been in front of you since 1994, since you've been on the bench. He did not physically attack anybody. No police officer, no one. And you could read that statement that was submitted, there's limited contact there. I think once you hear his allocution, reading his statement, I think you'll get a better picture of what type of individual he is. I know looking at the report, I've read it, the officer said he was punched. I'm not seeing that. He still committed the crime of resisting arrest. We're not denying that. But his behavior was belligerent and he was just avoiding getting arrested. It's essentially what he was doing. He was holding his.
Let me see that video. Do you have it when they were on the stairs?
Yes, you are. May I approach?
Yeah. Is there a way we can put that on the screen here, Lisa? Do you?
Judge, what I did was I just videotaped it off of my computer because
That's
I'm not
fine.
tech savvy, but
If he
Uh,
sends it to me by email, I can screen share.
yeah, let's do that.
okay.
Then
Now you're asking a lot, Judge. All right, give me 1 second.
no, that's okay. It's going to be Lisa at 33court.com. LISA at 33court.com. I mean, there have been charges he's had. He's never had anything since 1980 that he was convicted of. I'll grant you that. He had an OWI and 2 domestic that were dismissed.
Correct. It downloading. I apologize.
Take your time.
So, Lisa,
At 33court.com.
you might want to have her watch it first before she puts it up, just in case, some video of me playing hockey comes up. That would be awful to watch.
Not as bad as my golf game.
I don't have it yet, Judge. I'm still waiting.
Lisa, I apologize.
Let me do this. You go down and talk to her.
Okay.
I'm gonna pass this case. I'll go on to another one. And when you have that all ready, your name again, sir?
Solios Gritas.
Can you play that for me?
Judge, I still don't have it.
Did you go down and work it out with her?
Yes, I did. I was coming back to tell you that for whatever reason, it's not transferring. I have it just copied on my phone. It's only 20 seconds if you'd like.
Let me see it. Pull it
Yeah,
up.
approach.
Yeah.
Sorry, Judge, I'm so not tech.
That's okay.
It's ridiculous.
Let me see.
Okay, so it'll just play over again. This is like the tail end. So take 1 second.
This is the end of the first.
Yeah. Right. It's gonna start over in 1 second. Trying to start it over, just one. Oh, here's focus. This is progress. Hey.
Sure.
Yeah, watch it.
Sure. Thank you.
Body,
That's all right, Vic.
which is definitely.
I mean, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. We've already started the sentence.
Yeah.
There's no material additions, corrections, or deletions, except for the fact that it says see attached statement, and he didn't give it an attached statement.
That is correct.
He has something he wants to read.
Yes, sure.
Go ahead, sir.
I spent a great deal of time reflecting on event June 6, 2026, on how to express my serious remorse. I take full responsibility for my actions and understand the seriousness of what occurred. I am deeply sorry for the conduct and for the impact that it has on everyone involved. I apologize to the officers that evening after the incidents. They were there to protect and serve. I made your job difficult, dangerous, and the reason I want to apologize again. The experience I've had profound effect on both me and my family. I respectfully ask the court to allow me the opportunity to continue caring for those who depend on me. Help support my elderly mother, whose health is declining, and I play an important role in their lives, my family, and my friends, and my significant other. They rely on me. I'm committed to continue for them to be, and I am committed to being a better role model. On July 27, 2020, my wife passed. Suddenly, unexpectedly, at the age of 58. Losing her was the most painful experience of my life. Loss continues to affect me every day. I do not offer me grief as an excuse for my actions. I had come to realize that emotional pain I carry since her passion has affected me in ways that I fully do not recognize. I now understand that I need professional help to process the grief and become a healthier, better version of myself. I'm fully committed to participating in counseling to better understand, manage my emotions and anger, and to ensure that the incident like this will never happen again. I do not want this single incident to define my character. Instead, I choose to review it in turning point, an opportunity for accountability, personal growth, meaningful change. And I sincerely apologize to everyone affected by this incident. I accept full responsibility for my actions and am committed to making lasting changes in my life.
Did you write that?
That's what I did.
Well done. Well done. Anything else?
No. Well, just simply asking for to adopt a recommendation of which.
You did, it just appears to me that you did swing on the officer. Video's not that clear. You should have never done it. He's got some medical conditions. I don't know why they're recommending a psychiatric evaluation.
But just because he wants counseling. So.
He wants that?
Yeah, he wants it, he's gonna do.
Well, I mean, I want him to go to anger management.
Yes,
That's different than psychiatric evaluation, mental health treatment.
I don't think he needs psychiatric evaluation, but to just get individual counseling in addition to anger management, that's.
Is there anything that prevents him from doing the court work program?
You are, I know his physical health is not the greatest, but you think he can have some physical community service, which would be manual labor, but not too harsh.
We'll do anything I have to do.
I think he can handle that. He is on disability because he had a back.
I don't know. He's got some issues.
Yeah, he had a back,
right.
that caused him to be on disability.
I don't want to press it. I'd feel horrible if something happened. What you did was wrong. I sense that you understand and recognize that. It was well written. I do sense that you have a lot of remorse. You've not had any conviction for 46 years. 15 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance of any unit of government. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You do have to report as directed. No firearms. We don't want you to possess firearms or dangerous weapons. You don't have any? Anger management program with 12-week follow-up. If you want counseling in addition to that, you can get it on your own. No contact with the victims, Cameron Pazlako or Tom Timmis. You cannot write, phone, see, text, email, or communicate with them in any form or fashion. $200 in fines, $200 costs, $75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So fines and costs are $5 1/4, screening fees $60 for $585, probation fees are $300 for a total of $885. I think I said 15 months probation. I did say that. I'm also going to order 7 days jail credit, 1 serve 6. I'll let you serve those by way of community service. So 48 hours of community service, and I'm going to give you until, let's see, this is July 28th. I'll give you until September the 30th to complete your 48 hours. You may be eligible for early discharge pursuant to statute. If you've done everything and there's no violations within the preceding 90 days in 7.5 months, you can come in here and seek early discharge. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 1 year, 365 days with credit for any time served. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand that? Well, I sense that he's remorseful. That's a good thing. I don't see that a ton. Okay, that's what we'll do. Can he pay this today or does he need time? I suspect he needs some time.
You can pay the $585 and then.
Well, it's probation fees too, $300, $885.
Pay them monthly, as you can.
You just tell me what he can pay today.
I pay the $585 and $500 costs, and then it's better making payments for.
I'll just make it $40 a month then, okay? $585 today, $40 monthly, and I'll start that beginning September 1.
Perfect.
If something happens and you need more time, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, or you can come into court and I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay? But it has to be on or before the due date, 8:30. Just don't ignore me, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I wish you well. Thank you. Good luck. You'll
In this
meet with
courtroom,
probation
the
before you
judge
leave. Thanks,
carefully
Mr.
listened
Savage.
to
Have a
every
great day.
detail before reaching a decision.
I'm sorry,
The court
AH.
showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while
2success118
ensuring that
444.
accountability
Mr.
remained at the
Levitt, your
centre of
appearance.
justice. The judge's words reflected
Good
the
morning,
importance
Your
of
Honor.
responsibility,
Michael Levitt, I'm here on
self-control,
behalf of the
and respect
defendant.
for others.
Sorry, I was looking
Rather
on
than
Zoom.
acting
I
on
thought you were
emotion,
on
the
Zoom.
court
I
relied
didn't
on
see you walk
facts,
in.
evidence, and the rule of law.
I just got
This
here. I
case
had a
serves as a
extra
reminder
student
that
person
justice
I
is
had to
not
talk to the
only about
officer.